Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. I'm back with few more jobs and internship updates. Freshers to experienced candidate can apply. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for regular updates related to jobs and internships, and don't forget turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. So let's start the video. First, Apple is hiring for software engineer Java. Location is Hyderabad and Bengaluru, and the requirements hands-on experience with design, development, and producing highly available, distributed, and scalable transactional enterprise system, strong hands-on programming experience in Java, and so on, strong development experience on microservices. So especially this is for experienced candidate. If you are eligible for this role, then go and apply. Second update is from Flex. Flex is hiring for associate software engineer IT. Location is Chennai, and the requirements are 0 to 2 years relevant experience, knowledge in any one of the programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, good communication, bachelor's degree in IT, CSE or related domain. Third update is from Zycus. It's hiring for trainee software engineer. Location is Mumbai, and the job description is it's relevant experience. It's for fresher. Location is Pune. BTech, BTech. Okay, and the requirements. So go and apply. It is mostly for 20 and 22 batch pass out. Knowledge of Linux command database like SQL, MySQL, Oracle, and so on. So fourth update is from Cadence. Cadence is hiring for software engineer first. Location is Noida. 0 to 2 years of experience in C, C++ development. Good understanding of object-oriented design. BTech, ME, MTech degree are required. So go and apply. Fifth update is from Sutherland. Sutherland is hiring for software engineer development. Location is Bengaluru. These are the job description. Experience 0 to 2 years. Responsibilities and qualifications that you must have engineering degree in information system, computer science, information technology or MCA degree. So go and apply. And next update is from Infosys. Infosys is hiring for I guess SP rule. 20 to 22 batches are eligible, so go and apply for this role. Next update is for internship. Upstox is hiring for software development engineer. This is for 22 batch pass out. Location is Bangalore and Mumbai. All the details will be mentioned in the comment section. Requirements: pursuing a bachelor's degree or master's degree in engineering in the field of computer science, and all the requirements. Next update is from, okay, we are done with the updates. There are a few more job updates that I haven't mentioned on. I have mentioned it here. Okay, we are done with Cadence. Infosys. Capgemini is hiring for talent acquisition, any degree 0 to 1 year, Kolkata location. Apple is hiring for QA engineer, having at least 1 to 2 years of combined work experience, software development, quality engineering, and this is the package salary. Deloitte is again hiring for support analyst. BTech engineering graduates can apply. Tata Communication is hiring for opportunity as engineer, software development. Color tokens of campus drive for 21-22 batch pass out, 7 LPA. Revachuer is hiring for 22 batch, 4.2 LPA to 6 LPA. ISCO entry level software engineer, 0 to 2 years of experience, good programming knowledge in C++. So all the links will be in the description. Go and check and apply. One more update. Informatica Associate Technical Support Engineer, eligibility BTech, BCA, BSc, MCA, ME, MTech or any degree can apply. 0 plus years of relevant experience. So all the links will in the description. Also follow our LinkedIn page for more regular job updates, and if you have any doubt, I have attached Google form in the description. Ask your doubts. We have our YouTube channel where I post daily videos related to jobs or for any resources that might be helpful for you. So subscribe it also, turn on the bell icon and support us by like this video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.